Vol gaan het. Jo, vandag is ons op pad na Springbok toe. Na 5 dae se traktoropleiding hierso tussen Kathu en Bosmasburg. Jessie, dat was lekker. Weet jy, die mense het so mooi agter ons gekyk, op 'n lekker plaashuis, 'n Hunters Lodge. And yeah, you know, it's sad to leave. It's a beautiful place with beautiful people. But yeah, now we're on to Springbok to go do some more training. This time we're going to do gravel road driver training. So that's quite lekker. I'm very looking forward to that. But yeah, it's sad to leave this beautiful place. But at least, you know, deep down inside, it's a good feeling to know that we've left a little something of ourselves behind. You know, the skills, the knowledge, it's so important, with everything we do. If I remember correctly, my parting words to them is, you know, just do your best at everything you do. Just be better. Yeah, no, it's lekker. So just let me show you a little bit of the countryside.